Hello, friends. Now we will show you how to install TK3 teleprompter to use mobile phone for shooting. Open the package, take out the teleprompter and accessories. Then, connect front mobile phone clamp with teleprompter main OB. Fasten the Connect screw. Teleprompter plate with self-check mobile phone. Fasten the screw. Connect teleprompter plate with front display mobile phone clamp. Fasten the round black screw. Take down the fast release plate from the tripod. Connect the fast release plate with round black screw clamp. Fasten the screw. Connect the shooting mobile phone clamp with teleprompter main body. Fasten the screw. Fix the teleprompter main body on the tripod. Insert the rear backplate. Choose the suitable embedded backplate according to the shooting embedded backplate in the shooting window. Pull out mobile phone clamp. Place the shooting mobile phone. Clamp the display mobile phone. Clamp the self-check mobile phone. You could start shooting after completing installing. Open the package, take out the remote control. Slide the side button to game. It can connect with Android system devices. Slide the button to key. Press the on-off button for 3 seconds. The remote control is on. It can connect with mobile. Press menu button. Push joystick up and down to choose menu category. Push joystick left and right to add or subtract menu slider. Press A and Y button to adjust the rolling speed or text content. Tap Edit to input the text manually. Use speech input. You could input the text by speaking.